we just want to thank each and every one of you 18 who's here tonight for showing your love, your support for SB19. And from the very first start until now, we're stronger. And we're not just, we're not just a fan and artist, we're a family. So we want to thank everyone for showing us the love that everyone deserves. Thank you so much. Thank you for showing your support in Simula at Wakas, from the experience, kick-off concert, and to those who traveled with us to different parts of the world. We truly appreciate everyone. Thank you so much. And of course, speaking of, we want to take this moment to thank the people behind our show.
Siyempre, our show team!
Our show team, thank you so much!
Shout out to our production manager, Ate B!
Yes! Patingin naman dyan, wala bang ano?
Ate B, where's Ate B?
Na flash.
Siyempre, our show director for this tour, Direct Monday! Direct Monday!
Grabe, salamat po sa lahat ng pagtitiis nyo sa nangyari sa, syempre, at pag-asikaso ng
Kahit
mga
Sunday
ginagawa
ngayon.
natin.
Siyempre, to our lighting director, na napakalupet, Direct Maki!
Thank you so much, Direct.
Siyempre, our playback engineer, Kuya Bene!
Thank you.
Ayun, no?
Siyempre, the youngest sound engineer, Sir Richard!
Sir Richard!
Yay!
Let's go!
Siyempre, our monitor engineer, Josue!
Hosway.
Thank you so much, show team. Mabuhay kayo.
Meron pa. Siyempre, ang haba ng tour natin. So, ang dami natin kasama all throughout. Nandito ang W3! Unang-una, salamat kay Coach Jay! KK! Asa sila? Jesse! Asa si James? Joke. Keith! Russell! Last but not the least, Chase!
Graduate na kayo.
And of course, we would like to thank
Thank you
our
so
very own
much.
Onesie Entertainment. Thank you so much. Our project manager, the one and only, ang sikat na sikat, Yanni De Dios. Kuya Yani, asan ka? Kuya Yani, kung nasan ka man, thank you so much. And ang isa pa sa pinakamaingay, ang aming artist manager, Ate Leia.
What a description.
And ang pinakasikat sa lahat,
The youngest.
Maki! Tour manager, Maki! Maki! Maraming salamat, Ate Uge. Marketing Promotions Manager, Galahan East! Thank you so much, Galahan! And of course, our creatives team, thank you so much, Audrey, Amor,